Hello guys, I'm Ali and today we're going to learn how to make a website in WordPress. So let's get started. First open galaxydigitals.com website and go to blog and open this post, how to make a website. As you can see guys, we divided this post in different steps. So first step is pick a name for your website and check if it is available or not, like this. As you can see, this name is available, so we go to step 2, get a domain and hosting. A domain name is your website name, like galaxydigitals.com, and hosting is uploading your site on the internet. So we choose TMD hosting company for this tutorial, and let's go to TMD hosting by clicking on this image or this link. This is a affiliate link guys, so click on the image and go to web hosting tab. Choose Linux and choose the starter package. You can also see the features of this package: unlimited SSD space, unlimited bandwidth, one website, free domain, premium support, free cPanel, let's encrypt SSL certificate, and 60 days money back guarantee. So choose this package and click on get started. Enter your website name, click on search. As you can already know, we have checked this domain is available. Enter your account information, enter your client information here, choose your payment method like PayPal, bank transfer or credit card. You can also choose the location of your web server. You can change the time period of your web hosting services. Choose 1 month for now. Extra services, let's untick this, turn it off, and you have to pay this amount to TMD hosting company, and check these checkboxes and click on complete order. When you complete your order, you have received an email in which all your cPanel information, your username, your password, a cPanel link is written. Let's go to another step, login into your cPanel. You can access your cPanel from this link. In your case, your cPanel link is helloworldagain.com/cpanel. so let's open cPanel. Type your username, type your password. So guys, this is the cPanel, and let's see another step. Step 4, install SSL certificate. So guys, what is SSL certificate? SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. It's a protocol used to encrypt the data sent between your web server and an application like your web browser. Let's see an example. This is the example of SSL, and this is non-SSL website. As you can see, we have already installed SSL on galaxydigitals.com. So let's install an SSL. Type encrypt SSL, click on it, and choose the domain on which you want to install SSL. Click on issue. Click again on issue button, and SSL will be installed. So let's go to another step, which is install WordPress. So guys, let's go to cPanel again and install WordPress. Go to Softwarepolis apps installer, click on WordPress install, You can change the version of WordPress, change the protocol, and now choose the domain on which you want to install WordPress. So you can also change the site name, site description, admin username, admin password, and click on install. So guys, WordPress is installing. WordPress is installed, so let's go to another step, which is login into your WordPress admin panel. Click on this link. So guys, this is the admin dashboard of your WordPress website. Let's go to another step. So step 7 is download Astra theme. So in this tutorial we are using Astra theme, and for downloading Astra you have to click on this image or this link. Let's click on download now. And Astra has a pro version, Astra Pro, mini agency bundle, but we are using a free version in this. So let's download free Astra theme. No thanks, I just want to download Astra. So guys, you can see Astra is downloading. Go to our admin panel of our WordPress website, click on appearance, themes, add new, click on upload theme, choose file, click on install now. So guys, our theme is installing. Theme is installed, and let's activate the theme. Theme is installed and activated. Let's install Astra Starter Sites plugin. Click on this link, and this is the plugin. Click on download, admin dashboard, click on plugins, add new, click on upload plugin, choose file, install now, click on activate plugin. So guys, as you can see, starter template plugin is installed. Let's click on C library and select page builder. Let's select Elementor, and click all business and free templates. So guys, these are the free templates which you will use in this tutorial. So let's click on this demo site, click on import complete site. So the site importing is starting. Click on import. Guys, it takes time. So guys, as you can see, the demo website is imported. Click on view site. So guys, this is the demo website which we make in this tutorial, and if you want to edit something, click on edit with Elementor and change anything you want, like this. So guys, this is it. If you like this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe, and if you want me to make a long tutorial on how to make a website, please comment below and I will make another tutorial which is very long and detailed. So that's it for now. Thank you.